Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay, let me see. Okay, long time no see. Feel like okay. The last time we met was okay, 2nd of December lah. So it's about yeah, we missed out 3 session lah. Okay, so yep, please help me to click like and also share this video lah, so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, I believe a lot of people is in holiday mode. Okay, but yeah, market is still there. Okay. Okay, so hello Google Monster, okay, SNR, ACME, Panda, MN Holding, QES from 左先生, Sistec, SBH. Okay, Winnie, hello, Teo Seng, JHM. Okay, later we review. JCY, today ada volumes. SNS, Dialogue. Okay, review Sun Zhen. Okay, MN Holding, hello, Patrick. Hello, Anthony. Hello, okay, hello, Ekatan. Okay, Glove, Big Four. Now only look for EP. I thought should look for the TP already. Okay, never mind. Later we review. Hello, Mr. Lim. Okay, review Panda. Okay, EP 375. Hello, Patrick. Okay, Ray Tan. Okay, hello, Jordan. Long time no see. 3 session only lah. Okay, Michael Lim. Hello, hello, Ismail Adam. Okay, JF Tech Sun. Okay, thank you. Okay, no problem. Okay, Almosti Jebat Hebat. Okay, C-Stack. Okay, 晚上好. Okay, Binacom Care Plus. Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, so please help us to click a like and also share lah. Okay, we skip. Okay, we miss out 3 session. Maybe a lot of people already in holiday mood. Okay, so bring them back. Okay. Okay, yeah, same as usual lah, our content, okay, our agenda, we will go through the market outlook, which include the US market, ongoing cryptocurrency, and FBM KLCI, only follow with the stocks Q&A, and also disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation, or are just for education purposes. Okay, so yeah, if you yet to click a like, please click a like also lah. So yeah, help us to hit our KPI. Okay, so for US side, so far, only Dow Jones looks weaker, okay, compared to the another two markets. Okay, so what we can see, last week for Dow Jones, they closed a little bit bearish lah, okay, and they also break below the gap, which is around 44K. So based on this momentum, I am seeing they do have potential to retest this crucial level, which is 43.3K. Okay, this is a crucial level for the Dow Jones. Okay, and for S&P, for me, it's still neutral lah. Weekly point of view, it's most likely will be in the sideway unless they break below 6,000. And on the other hand, okay, Nasdaq create another new all-time high. Closing for me is okay, more on bullish bias. Okay, so as long as they are above 21.2K, I would say Nasdaq is still very bullish. And yeah, bear in mind this week, second half lah, Wednesday second half 3 a.m. Malaysia time, which is on Thursday already lah. They do have a FOMC Fed rate, okay, and the press conference, okay, this is the last time for the year already, okay, so I think this may impact a little bit on the market sentiment, and market already expected rate cut. Okay, the forecast is 4.5 lah. So I think most importantly is the press conference lah. Okay, 3:30 a.m. So which means Thursday morning we wake up and see how is the market lah. So tentatively market is still very bullish and they are still very optimistic with the rate cut. So rate cut, more money, then market, okay, can be easily pushed up lah. But next year Donald Trump already lah, so we still don't know how is it. Okay, for the gold, for the oil price, what we notice is they have been in this range, okay, $67 to $72 since September. Okay, you can see since September until now, they are just trading sideways. Okay, only once they have a false breakout lah. Okay, following weeks they go back again. So they have been in this range about 2 to 3 months already. So yeah, I guess they have built a quite decent support at this zone. So pending for them to have another breakout above $72. Okay, once they can clear above $72, we may see more upside lah, maybe to $79 or $80. But on the other hand, if they break below $67, we may see more downside on the oil price. Okay, if we look back in 2023, they do supported very well here. After that, they pump up to $93. Okay, now they back to this zone already. Okay, if they can get supported very well, yeah, once they can break above this level, then you take note this level, then maybe they do have chance to pull up further. Okay, but if they break down, then we may see oil price crash down further lah. Okay, so this is the oil. How about the gold price? Okay, gold price for me is still struggle. Okay, weekly point of view, the closing not really that great. Okay, last week they do pump up all the way to 2720, but by end of week they gonna press down lah. So for me, it's not really that strong, and I believe they are going into sideways movement. Okay, either breakdown or break up only lah. So take note on 2006 as their crucial support. Okay, maybe they also pending for the FOMC lah. Okay, if the dollar strengthening, then gold may come down lah. Okay, vice versa lah. Okay, how about the cryptocurrency? Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, they officially closed above 100k. Okay, last week lah. Okay, and this week also. Okay, even though they have an attempt to sell down, but they able to recover back above 100k by end of week. Okay, tentatively they are more, yeah, at the moment today Monday only lah. So give them time lah. So as long as they are above 100k, I think Bitcoin is still very bullish. But for Ethereum, I would say they are still struggle to break above 4,000. Okay, to be exact is 4070. Okay, so they still struggle to break out, and maybe you also can argue that this week closing is more like a hanging man, a light candle, but we need a confirmation. If next week closing is a bullish candle, then we may see more upside. But if is a bearish candle below 3007, then we may see more downside on the Ethereum. But if want to bet on the bull or bear, I think, yeah, I will hope for the breakout lah, 4,000 like that. Okay, 4070. Okay, once they can clear, I think they do have potential to visit previous all-time high back in 2021, which is somewhere around 4,008. Okay, so this is how about our FBM KLCI? Okay, our KLCI, okay, they has been in the downtrend, okay, since maybe we can say end of August, or we can say it's a September onwards. Okay, we can see our KLCI been in the downtrend, but you can see recent weeks they already slowing down. Okay, they didn't break below 1588, which is a good news for them lah. Okay, so once they slow down, for them to make a comeback, they need to clear 1625. Okay, once they are able to clear above this level, we may see more upside on the FBM KLCI, which I think likely, okay, because already near the year end already lah. So maybe they will sideways for another 1 week, and then by 31st of December, they will make a very nice closing for our FBM KLCI. Okay, but if they break below 1588, then a little bit difficult for them to make a good closing. Okay, window dressing like what we say. So weekly point of view, I would say they are more in neutral. But if you want to bet on the bull or bear, I would say slightly bullish. Okay, unless they break below 1588. Okay, how about the HSI? Okay, disappointing week lah. Okay, last week they do have a good pump up. Okay, but where they hit 21.3k only. Okay, this is in conjunction with the resistance here. Okay, and weekly point of view, you can see the antenna is very long, and they do resisted by 200 weeks moving averages. Okay, if we back to the daily chart, you can see they have a good pump on the 9th of December, and then they washed down already lah. So now they are back to one of the crucial support, which as I mentioned earlier, 19750. Okay, now trading, okay, the futures are trading at 19737 lah. So we see lah, by end of day whether they can get supported or not. If yes, maybe still got chance. But if no, maybe they might go back down to 19k already lah. Okay, so back to our stocks Q&A. Okay, so if you yet to click like, if you yet to share, please help me to share. Okay, so let's go for the first question. Is ACL, sorry, wrong country. ACME. Oh, got volumes, huh? Okay, ACME, SNR. If we base on recent performance, MACD not too bad. Volume wise, okay, since 11th of December, they do have some volumes, but not so significant signal. Okay, the signal came on 12th of December. Okay, a good volumes and a good price session, breakout above 18 cents. Okay, Friday still alright, not too bad. And today another pump up. They break above 20 cents. But for me, I will give them another one bit for them. Okay, 195 would be your sorry. Okay, 195 would be your support. Okay, so long the price can stay above. Okay, don't close below 195. The breakout is still valid. Okay, but we also need to respect. Okay, the next resistance 220. Sorry, let me put again here. Okay, if we zoom out, what we can see here. Okay, 220 was a support back in last year lah. Okay, and resistant in April. So yeah, they do possible have the overshoot to maybe 225 lah. But to be safe, 220 would be your immediate resistance. Okay, unless they can close above 225. Okay, then you can see 260 280 30 cents. Okay, but at the moment, yeah, tenor on 220 225 as your immediate support. Okay, so this one I would say as long as above 195 I am still slightly bullish on them. And yeah, do take note this is a penny stocks, so yeah, the risk is high lah. Okay, how about the panda? Okay, panda, the first signal on 6th of December. Okay, when they have a high volume. Okay, pump in, right? 6th of December. And second opportunity is on 11th of December. Okay, when they retest 335, when they retest 345. Okay, and Thursday, Friday, they already pump out. Today, more on, I would say, more on some profit taking activities. As you can see, today, market open gap up, close low. And the volume is about the same as the Friday volumes. So, what I suspect is maybe whoever bought on Friday, they already take their profit on Monday lah. Okay, so for this case, maybe we can wait for them to retest the support lah. Yeah, also take note 40 cents is your resistance, 40 cents, 415 would be your immediate resistance zone. And how about the support? Support I would put at somewhere around 360 at the moment. Okay, momentum all okay, but yeah, I would prefer wait another 1 or 2 days and see how it's going. Okay, if happen they can come back to retest support and supported very well, I guess okay. Yeah, no harm to take note on them lah. But overall structure cannot break below 3350. If below 335, then tak berapa cantik lah for this one panda. Okay, how about the MN holding? Okay, MN holding is still fine. Okay, some retracement lah. 10 and 12, they do have volume pump up. 13, 16, neutral. Okay, today more on, yeah, today a little bit profit taking activities, but I guess it's still alright. Okay, so for this case, maybe I will put at 108, 110 lah. Okay, supposedly it's a 108 lah, but maybe I round out for them lah. Okay, 110 as long as the price can stay above 110, they are still alright. Okay, but if they close below 110, they are likely to revisit the 20 MA lah, which is within 1 ringgit to 104. Okay, this is a MN holding. Okay, how about the QES? Okay, QES at resistance now. Okay, at resistance now. Okay, Friday is still alright. Okay, Friday got volume pump up. Today is more neutral. As you can see, Friday they do also have antenna at the resistance, which is at 60 cents. And today they also attempt touch again. Okay, but macam struggle to break above 60 cents. Okay, so here is a place no matter how protect a little bit lah, protect a little bit profit. But if you don't want, okay, you still want to fight on, then you take note on 580. Okay, this would be your first signal lah. If they close below, then okay, most likely the rebound could be over already. Okay, for them to make a strong comeback, okay, they need to clear the 60 cents level. Okay, otherwise they will just hit and maybe kena rejected. Okay, just like what happened back here, okay, back then lah. Okay, so now they are at one of the hard resistance. Okay, so for me here is a place, okay, you need to protect some lah. Okay, in case the U-turn come down, then at least you got secured half of your profit. Okay, but if your size is very small, okay, it's not worth to take partial profit, then you can do a trading stop lah. Okay, which is around 580. If they close below 580, then you can consider to, okay, never mind, take profit, cabut dulu, later re-enter, okay, also can lah. Okay, how about the C-stack? Okay, C-stack, okay, downtrend since March when they break below 200 MAs, okay, but they do struggle for a couple of months lah. Okay, until June, they have a more firm breakdown. Okay, after June, they already break down, and August break below 360. Okay, recently they do have volumes. Okay, so for me, C-stack is more on rebound trade. Okay, as you can see, 11, 12, 13, they do have volumes. Okay, today also okay lah, not too bad lah. Okay, so most likely is a rebound trade, and the most what we can see, the hard resistance, okay, was a support, breakdown, turn resistance. Now also is a resistance, 360. Okay, this would be your max level. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 today not much volumes. Okay, Friday is still alright. Friday they do have good volumes. Okay, so what we can put is 290 as your immediate support. Okay, stay above. The rebound is still ongoing. Tapi if they close below, then okay, likelihood the rebound is over lah. Okay, momentum all alright lah, boleh tahan. So high risk also lah because it's a rebound trade. Okay, they are below 200 MAs. SBH. Okay, looks like new counters. Okay, April, so about 8 months like that only lah. So wash down today they do have volumes. Okay, so actually today they bounce up. They are at the resistance. Okay, which was a support turn into resistance. Okay, now the closing price at support, but never mind. Okay, we also can use a 245. Okay, we use today's low as our last defense. If happen they close below 245, memang no game already, memang very ugly already. Okay, so this one is still new lah. Okay, for me it's still new, but if you interested with them, okay, make sure the price above 245 lah. And for your immediate support, maybe I will put at 255 lah. Okay, below 245, basically the pump is over. Okay, maybe it's a trap already. Okay, good timing for tail Seng. Let me see. Wow, what happened? Split. Okay, actually my chart yet to reflect. Okay, yet to reflect to the adjusted price. So I cannot comment yet. Okay, maybe I come back later. Okay, I use a chart access. I see whether they have a adjusted chart or not. Otherwise, very difficult to analyze. Okay, as the chart already distorted by the split. This one, yeah, distorted by the split already. Okay, yet to adjust it. Okay, later I come back. Okay, we go for the JHM first. Okay, so this one ngam. Okay, I remember our previous live session I do mention don't go and leverage average down lah because they are very risky. Okay, so yeah, the first signal actually is on the 4th of December. Okay, 4th of December, but it's not so clear yet. Okay, 4th of December, then another signal came on 10th of December. Okay, then now it's still rebounding. Since your cost is about 80 cents, yeah, maybe you can do a trading stop lah. Okay, now what our first objective is to reduce our losses only. Okay, if best can go for the break even, but 80 cents a little bit far. Okay, it's around here. So tentatively based on this rebound, what we see is to somewhere around 540 to 555. Okay, because they have a gap down here. Here become a resistance and also is a 200 MAs. So tentatively, this is a level you may consider you want to reduce your losses or what. If you don't want, okay, you can do a trading stop lah. Okay, meaning when the price go up, you pull your stop loss price up further. Okay, for today is about 485. Okay, means if tomorrow they can stay above 485, you still can hold your position lah. Okay, then if tomorrow they continue go up, then you pull your stop loss higher. Okay, once they have a U-turn, then you can consider okay whether you want to reduce your losses or not. Okay, or you still want to hold forever. Okay, also can lah. Okay, depends on you lah. But based on what I see here, I would prefer to reduce my losses when the price came somewhere around 540 to 555. Okay, so this depends on you lah. But yeah, don't go and average down or what already, because actually we miss out quite many good entry lah. Okay, the first level for us to enter maybe is 4th of December or 10th of December. But yeah, never mind, it's alright. Yeah, we don't add on too much risk. Okay, so how about the JCY? Okay, JCY today got volumes. Interesting. JCY. So what we can see, okay, JCY, they have volumes on 3rd of December, break above 200 MAs, break above 450. Then they have been sideways for quite many trading days lah. And maybe they wait for us also lah. Okay, today got volumes, pump out. Okay, so close above 50 cents, and maybe we can see the support is above 485 lah. Okay, so as long as they are above 485, should be fine for the JCY. And the resistance to break is a 540. Okay, once they can clear 540, then you can see 660 or 750. Okay, so for me, JCY, they do have potential lah. Okay, how about the SNS? Okay, not really move. Okay, volume wise, okay lah, boleh tahan. Okay, average trading volume boleh tahan. So this one, I would say they recover above 200 MAs. So means they do have potential to make a comeback lah. Okay, so yeah, as long as they are above 555, then I think okay, still alright lah for this SNS. So watchable lah, upcoming days. Okay, how about the dialogue? Okay, dialogue not really okay because they already below 200 MAs. So recently they do have some pull up, but today more on the profit taking or the rebound is over lah, we can say. Okay, so they may come back down to 180 or even previous deep extreme level, which is somewhere around 170 lah. Okay, 170 also is a deep. Okay, the extreme level back in 2022. So based on here, what we can see, since 2022 until now, they are in a big sideway. Okay, so likelihood they might revisit, maybe 180 or 170 level. Okay, so Shenzhen mother not really move, but I personally not really like lah. Okay, for the Sun, tak berapa boleh not so strong leh. Already break down below 115 already. Okay, and not much volume lately, so nothing much I can comment about this. Okay, but if speaking about the trend, not really that strong lah. Okay, Henyuan, I think the game tentatively is over. Okay, they do have volume pump on 4th of December, but one day show lah. Next 2 days are already sell down. So they likely to revisit 2 ringgit level lah. Okay, so Henyuan is still very weak. Okay, next one is MN Holding we covered. So we go for the Plytech. Okay, this one the breakout are considered failure already. Yeah, previously they do have a breakout above 370, 375. Okay, tapi this one you can see recently they already broke down below 370. So means not that strong already lah. So they may continue sideways lah. Okay, So for short-term point of view, I don't think they do have chance to challenge maybe higher price. Okay, unless they can close above 375. Okay, even though you can see on Friday, they also attempt to break out, tapi not so successfully. Okay, kena press down. So most likely they might go sideways or come down to test a 340 or 320 level. Okay, this is a Plytech lah. Okay, hello Anthony. Okay, Gtronic. Okay, Gtronic is still in the. Let me see. Okay, they do have potential for forming a bottoming lah. Okay, today they do have a breakout above 60 cents level and closing price 610. Okay, so maybe I'll put the support down to 595. Okay, so indicate S1, S2, right? So support would be 595, 565. Okay, S1, S2. And for the resistance, 665, 750, 80 cents. Okay, momentum all okay lah. So if speaking about the potential bottoming, masih ada chance lah. Okay, masih ada chance for the Gtronic. Okay, how about the SKB Shutter? Okay, not that strong. They already bounced up, tapi not able to clear the 960 level. So likely they might revisit the 840, 830 level. Okay, if they break down, 80 cents. Okay, S1, S2. Resistance 960 and 1 ringgit. Okay, based on what I see here, they are not so that. Okay, not so strong. Okay, not so strong now. Okay, no instant opportunity yet lah. Okay, how about the PPHB? High volume on 18th of November. And recently the average trading volume boleh tahan lah. Okay, boleh tahan saja. So opportunity I would say is still there, and support 815, 80 cents. Okay, would be S1, S2, and for the resistance 860, 880 would be your R1, R2. Okay, once they can clear 880, they do have potential for 920, 945. Okay, this is a PPHB. Okay, how about the Infotech? Still holding. Wow. Macam. Okay, Infotech, the first signal, okay, back in 3rd of December, they are still alright. Tapi if you notice, 11th of December, this rejection, macam showing us, give us a warning already. Okay, looks like this is a bearish candle with higher volume. So for me, it's not so right already. Tapi no confirmation. Confirmation is today when they break below 1 ringgit. Okay, close below 1 ringgit also. And closing price 955. And you can see today volume is pretty strong lah. So based on what I see here is they might come back down to retest a support low. Maybe it's a 940 and 915. Okay, so depending on you are trader or holders lah. Okay, if trader, definitely you need to cabut already. But if you are buying on their maybe fundamental, you are planning for mid to long term, yeah, they are still above 200 MAs lah. Okay, so yeah, depending. Okay, when your initial plan is just for trading or invest. Okay, so for invest, the 200 MAs is somewhere around 895. Okay, but trading point of view is, okay, short-term point of view is not so great because they have a strong rejection on 11 and 16 of December. So based on the momentum here, likely they might revisit maybe 945, 915 or even 90 cents level. Okay, just like what happened here lah. Oh, then they wash down. Now they also got this. Maybe they might wash down here. And if they go below 895, I think, okay, likely game over already. Okay, how about Malak off? Ini also tak berapa boleh. Okay, this one, the chances of game over is there. Okay, so Friday is still okay, fight above. Tapi today they close below 765. Closing price 760. Okay, even though by end of day they do have some support come in. Okay, let me see on 50-minute charts. Okay, 4:30, they have volume come in. Okay, come back to support the price. So 745, last chance already. Okay, so we can see the whole day they sell down already. But last minute, okay, this is a 50-minute chart. Last minute, they have volume pump in. Meaning, okay, if they can defend well 745, maybe you still got a little bit chance to, okay, still got a little bit chance. Tapi if they close below 745, means whoever bought today, they all kena teruk already lah. So this one 745 lah, last defense. Okay, even though they already broke down below 780, 765. Okay, since you are still holding, then we put hope on 745 lah. Okay, if 745 they also give out, I think next level could be 70 cents level already lah. Okay, but I would say chances is still there lah. Okay, still there. Okay, big four. Let me go to the here. Okay. Okay, for me, if you are looking for opportunity to re-enter, okay, for the top glove, okay, since we can see all this while, they're not really able to clear 125, 120, then resistance, breakout, then support. So wait around here lah. We see any chances. Okay, and this one for the Harta, actually they already up for quite long. Okay, since October, already out for about 2 months. Time for them to have some healthier correction. So this one maybe I will put at 350 first. Okay, maybe monitor 350 first. Okay, we see any support over there. Okay, and for the Kosan, okay, also up too much already. So for me, I prefer wait for them to have a healthier correction, then only look for potential entry. Okay, as I also don't know where they want to wash. Okay, so for this one, maybe you can set alert first, 240 or 225. Okay, we see first, don't do a buy queue there first. Okay, for Supermax, okay, all this well, okay, they're not really able to clear 1 ringgit lah. Okay, only 1 day show come back, 1 day show come back. So I will put 1 ringgit 103 as my immediate support. Okay, this is a big 4 immediate support. Okay, so next one is the okay, Panda we covered, but yeah, go through again. 375. Oh, okay. Your entry is at today closing, or Friday closing. So for me, as explained just now, I think they likely to come back down to test maybe 360 lah. But since you EP ready, you already bought the ticket. Okay, 10 on 360. Stay above, chances is still there. Close below, then maybe cabut dulu and wait lower price lah. Okay, so G-Tronic we covered, but if you're interested, yeah, just not covered right? So I would say 6595 565 you can CC look lah. Okay, Opstar. Oppa. Oh, Opstar is still okay. Recently they have volumes. Okay, the first breakout. Okay, actually they bounce up. The signal was on maybe 3rd or 4th of, okay, 2nd or 3rd of December lah. But another confirmation is on 10th of December when they break above 770. So today another pull up. Okay, for me it's a little bit late to do entry, and this counters is downtrending, and also their immediate resistance is somewhere around 880. Okay, you can see back in September, October, they're not really able to clear the 880 level. So now 845 to 880 macam tak berapa worth to fight lah. Okay, but I see they do have potential to pull up further lah. So if you chase, your risk is there. Okay, so maybe yeah, if you die you want to chase, yeah, you use 820 as your last defense. Okay, at the moment I didn't see a good very ideal entry with a good risk and reward. Okay, so if you jump in now, you need to take the risk and yeah, you need to take the risk lah and potentially buy at a higher price. Okay, so yeah, as long as above 820, yeah, maybe they do have potential to test a 880 level. Okay, how about the LC Titan? Okay, no good lah, still jumping down ah. This one is still diving lah. Okay, even 750 which was a COVID time COVID time 2020 March, the extreme level. Okay, the level they rebounded up 750 they also break down already So what can be worse than COVID time? Okay, so now they already below the 750 level, and we can see today another open gap down. So this one don't touch first. Okay, until we see something. Okay, we still don't know where is the low yet. Okay, my EG, as mentioned many times before, the support 840-865 and the resistance 940-960. Okay, so my EG at the moment, okay, they are at the resistance. Okay, unless they can clear lah, or have a more decisive or more firm breakout above 960. Okay, otherwise you can see they do have attempt 1-2 time already. Okay, every time they hit here, they gonna wash down again, right? So this time we don't know lah. I don't know they want to wash down or not. So maybe you take out 940 as your immediate support. If they can go sideways, stay above 940, maybe this time got chance to pump up. But if they close below 96, if they close below 940, likely they might come back to revisit the support. Okay, 840, 860 level lah. Okay, if happen they can close above 960, which means the closing price 965, 970. Tenor on 1 ringgit psychology level, then 105, 110. Okay, so this one momentum is there lah. Okay, momentum is there. 9988. Okay, for Jordan 9988 this is Alibaba. Last Monday they do pump out lah. Okay, Tuesday is a trap 4 more. Tuesday open high, close low, and the remaining days is more on the washing down. So for this Alibaba, okay, most importantly lah, $80 and $79 cannot be broken down. Okay, if they break down, the whole things are susah, very ugly. Okay. What I hope is for Alibaba they can go sideways and stay above $79 lah. Okay, how about the tofu? Wow, tofu today closing not so great. Okay, Friday closing is still alright. Okay, but if you notice today price action opening price here, push up to here, closing price here. So by end of day, they gonna press down. Volume wise, almost more than, okay, not almost it's already 50% of Friday volume. So the selling pressure is also there. So likely they might revisit 185. Okay, so for tofu you take note on 185. But if you just plan to go in, you take note on 185 as well. Okay, don't break below 185 lah. Break down then memang tak cantik. And if happen, they can go up. 2 ringgit would be your immediate resistance. Okay, how about the JF Tech? Sun. Okay, the mother looks like a little bit struggle to break above 80 cents. Okay, Friday candle is still good. Okay, very nice candle. Okay, tapi today you can see, struggle to break out. They macam ada some antenna over here. So let me see 50-minute charts. Okay, 10, 4, 5, 11, 11, 15, they do have volumes. But 11, 15 is more on a little bit resistant already. Okay, then remaining days market coming down lah. So macam tak berapa strong. Okay, for this case, maybe you take note 775. Okay, for mother share. Okay, above I put 765 a bit low. Okay lah, can lah. Okay, 765. Take note. If go below 765, then Yeah, could be they just hit 200 MAs and come down. Okay, how about the Sun? JF Tech. Okay, not current. WA lah. They also at the resistance already. They also at the 200 MAs levels already. So if we put this 190185 would be there. Okay, they already hit the resistance. Okay, so for me, this is just a rebound trade. And if you're already in profit, yeah, protect lah. Okay, at least partial lah. If you want to fight for home run, at least take partial, another partial you can fight for more upside lah. Okay, for this one, OBHB. Okay, new counters back in October 29. Okay, market is more on sideways lah. Okay, recently the volumes I would say boleh tahan, not too bad. Okay, not too bad, not too good lah. Okay, only lah. So they are still in a sideways movement. Okay, so pending. Okay, these counters are pending for a breakout above 230. Okay, they have been in this range since November. Okay, so once they can clear 230, maybe they might go back to previous high, which is somewhere around 275. Okay, hold on. Go back to Seng. Okay, I just remember. Let me see. Okay, this one is this one after adjusted lah. Sometimes enable already. Seng I think still can wait lah. I feel they are still in a retracing mode. Okay, still in a correction mode. So first 105 would be their immediate support. And best if we can wait somewhere around 1 ringgit. Okay, wait around 1 ringgit. We see any chances. Okay, the trend point of view is still okay lah. This counter is in the uptrend. Okay, but I see short-term point of view. They are in the consolidate, or we can say not so familiar with this chart. Okay, they macam tak berapa strong here. Okay, another. They macam in the downtrend lah. So I would prefer wait somewhere around 1 ringgit and see any chances lah. Okay, this is a Seng. And let me see OBH OFB Okay, this one the strength not really strong. Okay, they have a good pump on 10th of December and a neutral candle on 11 December, but the volume is about the same lah. Then the next few days market macam wash down. Okay, so for this case, maybe I will put around 420 lah. Okay, take note on 420, stay above. Still boleh fight a little bit lah. Tapi if they close below 420, then tak berapa strong already. Okay, PG Globe. Profit taking activities shooting star bearish candle So today price action, market open gap down. They do push up a little bit, but by end of day they press all the way down with volumes. Okay, so based on what we can see here is macam time for them to have some profit taking activities. Okay, just like what happened here. Shooting star, then they wash down. Okay, this time also a so-called shooting star. Whether they want to come down or not, yeah, we don't know. But yeah, if you see this signal, better at least protect some profit. Okay, so maybe I will put a last defense lah. If you still want to fight on 365, okay, cannot break. Cannot break. Okay, YNH. The pump is over there. Okay, YNH, I remember, I think previously when during our live session, I do mention the maximum they can go is somewhere around 850 lah. Okay, and do take note on your trading stop, which is a 680 level. Okay, as long as they close below 680, you need to protect partial or take some profit already. Okay, So on this date lah, okay, 4th of December or 6th of December. Okay, but yeah, this date closing is very ugly already lah. Okay, so at the moment, what we can see on recent price action, okay, they do have a good pump and a good dump down, and most likely they will continue sideways lah. Okay, so yeah, if you still want to put hope on them, take note on a 520 lah. Okay, stay above 520, maybe still okay. Tapi if they break below, then memang tak cantik lah. Okay, not data. Let me see Data Sonic. Okay, D Sonic. Okay, what we can see on D Sonic. Since 9th of December, they have an open gap up, close low, high volumes. Then 12th, 13th of December. You can see they macam not really want to clear the 200 MAs levels. Okay, some more with volumes. So I would say a little bit not so positive lah, in my opinion. Okay, because here was a support, right? Now they bounce up, here become a resistance. So their hard resistance is a 450. Okay, unless they can clear above firmly, okay, and close above firmly, then maybe they do have chance to further upside. Tapi based on what we can see, just a pure technical point of view, you can see, they already struggle to clear the 450 level. So this would be your immediate strong resistance, okay, Data Sonic. Okay, how about the Sunview? Okay, Sunview is still fightable. Okay, even though they have a rejection of 6 on 6th of December, then they have a support comeback on 11th of December and also on 13th of December. Okay, today more on neutral. Okay, please take note, this counter is in the downtrend lah. But based on recent performance, at least we can see the volume is increasing also lah. And also the price also got a little bit pumped up. So I guess it's still alright. Okay, as long as they are above 450. Okay lah, boleh tengok lah. This one momentum okay. Tapi if they close below 450, sorry very much, cannot already. Okay, since that we covered lah, we go for the mesti. Okay, memang ada mesti ya. Okay, ada volume pump up today's. Okay, tapi they straight hit the 200 MAs lah. Okay, from here what we can see, 130 was a support. Okay, they break down, now turn into resistance and now turn into a support, which is a 130 level. But usually I like to give them another 1 or 2 bit, so I will put at 120. If they can stay above 120, yeah, they do have potential to pull up further. But if they close below 120, sorry, no game. This counters downtrend for so many years already. Since okay, can say this counter is a long-term downtrending counters. Only 2020 era they do have a small trend. After that, yeah, back to downtrend. So for this, okay, what I can say is most likely just an oversold market want to bounce up, okay, to retest the 200 MAs. Tapi if you very interested into these counters, okay, you want to monitor further, okay, 10 on 120, okay. Once they close below 120, then not so worth to monitor already. Okay, stay above 120, then still ada chance lah. But personally, not so likely. Okay, Binacom tak cantik. Okay, tak cantik. Still ugly, and today close rate, high volumes. They also break down below 20 cents. Closing price 195. Okay, I yet to see any strong price action come back. So for Binacom, stay away first lah. Okay, until we see some signal. Okay, how about the Care Plus? Wow, other glove jalan this one tak jalan Really no care you at all Today also not so nice. Open gap up sikit tapi close low, high volume sell down. Okay, not so strong. Okay, for Care Plus to have a good rally they need to clear 30 cents. Okay, otherwise they will just struggle around here lah. And if you want to, I don't know buy for what lah, I don't know lah. If you want to buy and hold, yeah, make sure the price don't break below 245 lah. But you see the glove jalan so much already, they not jalan. Now the glove come down already, they also come down. So yeah, indeed they do come up lah, only for 3 days and from 255 to 280 only. Now as we can see just now, the glove counters are macam more on correction or some retracement, and yeah, they also sell. They are more even more bearish than them. So for me, it's not that strong. Okay, not that strong. But if you're interested, 255 is your immediate support, and don't break below 245. Okay, hello Frederick Hubsing. Okay, this one is a Mercedes Hubsing. Wow, jialat, jialat, jialat. I think you buy a Mercedes better. The depreciation better than the price. Okay, Hubsing not nice lah. Okay, not nice Okay, the only good time was during 2023 2023 August until 2023 October. Okay, ever since then you can see this one is a sell down, right? So they bounce up, then they sell down again. The second bounce you can see no strength already. Third bounce no strength already. Okay, and some more they break below the crucial level as well. So this one, I think you buy the car better lah. Okay, so maybe the next support is a 350 and even 320 also possible. 3 ringgit also possible. Okay, and the price is below all moving averages. Price action is bearish, and I yet to see any reversal signal. So this one I would say don't touch first. Okay. This one susah. Okay, the car macam total loss already at the moment Okay, so wait some signal coming Okay, Tahan. Wow, the price action interesting Open gap down, close low. Open gap up, close low. Open gap up, close low. And open gap up, close low. What they want to do? Okay, this one at least okay, the only bright side is this counter is in the uptrending. Okay, only short term, yeah, they do face some profit taking activities I guess they might come back to test a 4 ringgit or 380 levels. Okay, at least these counters is doing uptrending above 200 MAs. Maybe they up too much already. They need to clear down, go sideways. Okay, this one also go up already. Maybe they need to come down, go sideways. Okay, but at least this is a uptrending counters. But Hubsing at the moment memang tak boleh lah, memang tak boleh. Okay, so cheap can be cheaper lah. So I think better wait dulu. Okay, for Dayang also not that strong. They consider officially break below 208 or 210 level. Okay, so we can see last Thursday they do have a bounce up, but on Friday already rejected down. Today neutral. Okay, so they do have formed a new support at 2 ringgit level. Okay, if they break below 2 ringgit, we may see more downside, maybe to 180 or even lower. And yeah, if you're still interested with them, okay, you need to hope that they can close above 208. Okay, meaning the closing price must be maybe 210 and above lah, then would be better. Okay, maybe got chance to make some rally up, maybe to 230 or 240 level. Okay, otherwise 10 on 2 ringgit. If they break down, memang tak cantik already. TP United. Okay, which United? I think it's a United Plantation. Is it UTT Plant? Yeah, United. Yeah, give me the code name easier to find You just United I don't know how to find. Okay, too many stocks already. Okay, UTD Yeah, I assume it's this one Wah, this one memang super strong Today also got volumes. Okay, I think 3380 was the last time I projected with the Fibonacci lah. So at the moment, take note on $31. Stay above $31 should be alright. And your next resistance, 3380. Okay, Opstar we covered already so we go for the WCT. Okay, WCT recently recovered back above 90 cents lah. So yeah, make sure the price can stay above 90 cents. Okay, then they do have chance to make a comeback lah. Okay, so 90 cents above, then okay. How about the SAM? Okay, SAM okay, this remind me I think on Friday I want to buy, but I queue too low already, not ready kena, so give out already. Okay, so far SAM they do have potential for the potential bottoming lah. As you can see 11th of December they already pump in 11, 12, 13 and even today also got some pump out. Okay, for the trend to get started, okay, minimum need to go above 440 lah. So either you wait for the breakup trade or you wait for them to come back down maybe to 41 something or 42 something as your immediate support. Okay, this one yet to confirm lah, I would say. But they do have potential lah. Okay, how about the Skygate? Alright, okay, Skygate since when 12th of December, they already have a good pump out, high volume. Friday neutral, but today continue pump out. Okay, they already, I would say they already at one of the resistance, 104. Okay, you see here back in 5th of October, 5th of August, open gap down, resisted 104. Okay, would be your immediate resistance. And if they are able to push out further, next resistance 110. Okay, but this one I would say, if you look back pump out, okay, overshoot, wash down again. Now pump out, overshoot. Yeah, we don't know. Maybe they will overshoot to here or here. Then maybe we'll continue sell down lah. Okay, quite volatile lah. Okay, so review Kobe. Okay, Kobe is still in a rebounding mood. Okay, watch out on 170, 173 as your immediate resistance zone, which is also a 200 MAs. Okay, momentum wise is okay, and today a bit neutral. I would say not very strong. Friday closing is still alright. Okay, if happen they can come up to somewhere around 170 plus minus, then would be your immediate resistance. Okay, SDS. SDS a little bit topish lah, I would say. They already close to 128 level and get resisted down. So most likely they will go sideways. But on the bright side is this counter is in a uptrending. Okay, just maybe at the moment a little bit topish lah. Okay, Emulous. Okay, volume very good. Okay, volume very good. So we can see Friday and today they do have good volume pump out, but they also approaching a resistance Take note on 200 MAs resistance 325330. Okay, I think I don't want to put in the watch list because they also quite close to the resistance already. But if you're already in, yeah, I guess still alright lah. So but no matter how 325330 you need to do some protection okay, at least some partial. And if they can break above, then another partial you can fight for further upside lah. Okay, Franken. Mother we see Mother first Mother not too bad. Yeah, they do have a good pump. And also approaching one of the resistance which is somewhere around, let me put at 440 lah. Okay, take note, 440 is your immediate resistance for the Mother share. And for the Sun, okay, already hit resistance the Sun hit 200 MAs already 365370. Okay, this would be your immediate resistance. Okay, and let me see. Okay, my EG we covered. We go for the E-Win E-Win. Okay, let me see, is it aligned or not? Okay, aligned lah. Okay, so they do have a gap up. So yeah, actually from chart perspective, they do perform quite well lah, based on what I see here. Sideways since August. Okay, this one breakout This one sideways breakout they straight open gap out punya quite king then they more on sideways lah. So even they come back to fill the gap I guess it's still alright. Okay, as long as they are above 315 should be okay. But for the strong momentum if they can remain above 330 the momentum would be quite strong. Okay, next resistance 360, 380. Okay, for this E-Win but if they close below 330 maybe they might come back down to fill the gap. Okay, this is a E-Win. JHM, I think halfway already lah. Okay, halfway already. So if you want, okay, if you're still interested to KIV, okay, make sure the price is above 485 lah for this one JHM. For me, it's already halfway lah. Okay, miss out very beginning entry. Okay, for CapNet already at the resistance, so no point for us to jump in lah. Okay, you can see they struggle here for a couple of days already, still unable to break above. Okay, 380, 385. So likely they might come back down, go sideways. So wait for them to stabilize. We only KIV lah. Dayang covered already. JF Tech covered already. Yeah, correct, right? I can't remember already. Oh, JF Tech at resistance already. Yeah, covered already. So for me, those counters they rebounded up, hit 200 MAs. Okay, my first criteria is at least exit some lah. Maybe take some partial profit first lah. Then if they can break out, then different story lah. Okay, Notion, they are still in a sideway. So make sure above 130 should be alright. Okay, should be alright. And how about a Priva? Penny stocks susah analyze Priva 115, make sure cannot break down 115 McLean, you take note 280 as your immediate support lah. Okay, Agenta at the resistance already So for me already hit TP lah. Okay, already hit TP. No matter how those counters below 200 MAs punya, once they rebounded, hit 200 MAs, you need to protect some profit already. Okay, just in case they are just rebound only. Okay, Hapsing. Okay, Biscuit, right? Still uptrend lah. Okay, on the bright side, they are still in the uptrending mood. Okay, on the downside, I mean short term, they are more on a small profit taking. Maybe they might go sideways, rest sekejap, macam inilah. Okay, how about the Great Tech? Okay, Great Tech also going up, tapi they also approaching resistance 239. Okay, now already near the 200 MAs 200 MAs is somewhere around 236. So 236, 239 would be your immediate resistance. Okay, if you notice most of the so-called tech stocks they also have a similar pattern, which is a downtrend, rebound, hit or near or close to 200 MAs. So for me, yeah, at least protect some lah, protect some. We don't know what will happen tomorrow or next week, right? Okay, what if they just pump out to sell and then for Christmas, okay, they can buy more gift Okay, BJ Food, still nothing you can see this is one of the typical how to say typical example. Okay, BJ Food also below 200 MAs, right? Back in September they have a bounce up. Okay, near the orange line, 200 MAs. Okay, if you didn't take partial profit or protect some profit, you can see they come back to your entry price already. Okay, so now they are back to the bottom lah, I would say, but tentatively I still yet to see any rebounding opportunity. Okay, I can only say at the moment their immediate support is a 350. And if they can bounce up, 40 cents 420 would be your R1, R2. Okay, but yeah, technically I haven't seen any signal for bounce up lah. Okay, so greater cover, BJ Food, Armada. Oh, Armada strong this one. They filled the gap back in April, and recently they break out above the resistance. So maybe I will put 620. Okay, take note on 620 for Armada as your immediate support. Resistance 680715. Okay, next one can check Inari. We check and see. Inari, you can see quite similar. Quite many stocks also macam they bounce up. Okay, they macam gang out to together. They bounce out to somewhere around 200 MAs. Macam this is their first station. Okay, first stop hit already. Okay, so this one, if you're still interested, make sure they are above 3 ringgit lah. Above 3 ringgit, maybe they do have potential to break up. Tapi yet to happen, we need a confirmation breakout lah. Okay, but if you bought at the low price, then if you think, okay, this level you want to protect some profit, I think no harm. Okay, no harm. Okay, but if you still want to fight on, you make sure the price above 3 ringgit, then the strength will be there. Okay, otherwise it will be like this lah. What happened back in November? Okay, this is exactly pump out, right? Okay, if that time lah, you still want to fight on you see 3 ringgit at here only. Okay, once they close below 3 ringgit, cabut dulu lah. Otherwise, you can see they come back to 275. Okay, this time also about the same lah. If you want to fight on, 3 ringgit would be your immediate support. If they break down, yeah, better protect lah. Okay, protect. Then if they come back, you re-enter. Okay, if they can keep staying above 3 ringgit, then they do have potential to break up. Okay, but for me, no matter how, when they hit somewhere near 200 MAs, yeah, protect some lah. Okay, as we know, Bursa is not okay. Bursa sometimes they sleep for a few months, they come back for 1 or 2 months, then sleep again. Also possible. Okay, how about review SCG? SGB, they have a strong price action on 6th of December, 10th of December, and also 12th of December also got volumes pump in. Support I will put at a 110 level. Okay, so far I would say they are still strong. Okay, so yep, make sure they are above 108, then the short-term momentum would be strong. Okay, but if they go below 108, they likely to revisit or retest a 20 MA, or they come back to retest the resistance and support level. Okay, also possible. Okay, sometimes the stocks once they break out the resistance, they also want to come back to test the support. Make sure the support is supported, they only can continue jalan. Okay, this is also possible lah. Okay, so depending if you are trading, you can set the trading stop at 108. Okay, if you are swing trade lah. Okay, you can set the trading stop maybe 108. As long as they are above 108, you still can hold on. Once they break down, you cabut dulu and re-enter when they revisit maybe 102 or 20 MA levels. Okay, let me see. I think I do have a projection on the immediate resistance 119. Okay, close lah, but not really hit. Okay, so yeah, maybe you wash out on your trading stop. Okay, Peachum. Overrun already today. Petronas Chemical. Okay, good news is they found a bottom back in 21st of November, which is 450, 460. Then they retest another pump on 10th of December. Okay, high volume pump out. Okay, recently more on the low volumes. So based on what we can see here, short-term point of view, Petronas Chemical, they do have potential to bounce up further. Okay, today closing price 498. If you want to, okay, Any price above 490 should be alright. Okay, 490, 5 ringgit like that. Okay, this 1 cent lah. Okay, I think okay to consider. Okay, tapi if they go below 475, then tak cantik already. So next target for them, okay, they need to clear 5 ringgit first lah. Then 533 will be their next resistance. Okay, based on recent performance, this 1 or 2 months performance, I think they do have some momentum. Okay, so I think okay lah, this one. Watchable lah, watchable. Okay. For Genting Malaysia, still not so great, not so strong, Yeah, even though they have a multiple attempt to bounce up, tapi macam keep rejection down. So for me, Genting Malaysia, I'm not yet, okay, no confidence yet. Okay, what we can see is they have a support at 210 lah. Okay, you can see they have a multiple attempt comeback, tapi no strength. Okay, so now we can put our hope at 210 lah. 210. Okay, if they break down, then sorry lah, more downside. If they can get supported, maybe they will have another attempt to break above 217. Okay, at Jenda, no EP yet lah, because they already hit the resistance. Okay, our Sawit, any potential? For me, if you want to look for potential, maybe we need to see a CPO already. Or CPO price macam retrace. So this one, our Sawit, for me, I would prefer wait somewhere around 235, 240 as my immediate support. Okay, so at the moment, they are a little bit topish lah. Okay, so wait lah. Okay, Mala off we covered already, and D next. Okay, I need to skip some, sorry, because running out of time already. Okay, D next, they have a strong volume pump on 11th of December. And these few days more on diam. Okay, so meaning they break out resistance, retest the support. Okay, so meaning as long as they are above 385, yeah, they do have some chance lah. Momentum okay. Okay, tapi if these counters I mean the next close below 385 we can say this is a false breakout lah. Okay, it's a false breakout. Okay, I need to skip some lah. Sorry, apologize. I need to go out fetch my parents already. So yeah. Okay, how about Inta? Inta is still in a sideways. Okay, on the bright side, they are in the uptrend, so it's still okay. Okay, as long as above 430, still alright. EP go for CEB. CB actually not much strength recently, but if you're still interested, make sure the price above 350, then okay. ADMI we covered already. Kang Tao I cannot say lah. Okay, we just review stocks. We cannot give a buy sell call. Yeah, OSK doing a great job. Breakout 167, 170. So yeah, still good lah. You can see actually OSK since 2022 uptrend until now. Okay, in a good uptrending lah. So speaking about this, their next resistance, I would say somewhere around 189 or maybe around out to 190 is their next resistance. Okay, you can just use a trading stop. Maybe measure the price above 174, then should be alright. Okay, Plytech we covered. Okay, we go for the Gamuda. Okay, Gamuda is still in the uptrending. Okay, make sure the price above 936 would be okay. Review for PWF. PWF sideways. Sorry. Okay, make sure the price above 845. But I would say they are more into sideways now. Short term a little bit weak. Okay, make sure the price above 845, then should be alright. Okay, so the and Oh, rebound no strength. Yeah, today got volumes. Tapi you can see they not really able to go through 207. Okay, macam tak berapa strong lah. So this one, I would just KIV first. Okay, for me, I'm not so confident. But if you're still interested, okay, 10 or 2 ringgit. Okay, I would say not so strong lah. Okay, not so strong. Based on today closing. KGB is still alright, but approaching resistance. 360, 365. Okay, how about the ATEC? ATEC hit resistance 345. And they may come back down to retest the support lah. Maybe the gap here. 321, 324. Okay, this is a ATEC. YTL power. Okay, YTL power I think is still okay. They still yet to hit the 200 MA zone, which is somewhere around 4 ringgit. Okay, as long as they are above 350, I would say fight lah. Okay, don't break below 350 only. Okay, Genie Tech. Okay, I try lah. Don't add more already. Okay, Genie Tech is still in a sideway. So above 112 is still okay. Okay, if you notice, if you just open the chart, okay, most of the chart is below 200 MAs. Okay, they might be due to oversold. They need to have some bounce up lah. So I will just put my maximum target is 200 MAs. Okay, so no matter how, I need to take some profit lah. Okay, no matter how optimistic, I will just need to protect some profit at the 200 MAs. Okay, for E&O, they are still in uptrending lah. This one, they have been struggle at the 200 MAs for quite many months. 10 or 1 ringgit. Okay, 1 ringgit would be your strong resistance. Okay, let me see. SNS we cover already. Okay, SNS cover already. Dialogue, okay, also cover already. Not so strong. Okay, last one, EcoVest. Okay, sorry, a bit rush. EcoVest still nothing. High volume on 7th of November until now. The average volume macam tak berapa follow. So now their new support is a 350 level. Momentum. Okay, for MACD momentum boleh tahan lah. Okay, boleh tahan saja lah. Okay, this one I would say they are still below 200 MAs, and EcoWest maybe you can put the hope at the 350. Okay, stay above 350 maybe. Okay, maybe still alright. And if they break and close below 350, then overall tak berapa cantik lah. They may go to 325 or even 30 cents level. Okay, for me, yeah, the last hope lah, 350. Then recently you can see the average volume is not so cantik. Okay only the average volumes. So I also wait for some price action and the high volume pump in first lah. Okay, only consider a good signal. Okay, so yep, sorry about that. I couldn't cover everything lah. Okay, because we also run out of time already. Okay, overrun a little bit lah. Okay, so yeah, maybe you can keep the question for the coming live session. Okay, which is on Wednesday. Okay, 18th of December. Okay, so this year we left 2 more live session now, which is on 18th and 23rd of December. Okay, after that, more on holiday mode already lah. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you everyone. And also thank you Sifu for having me here. If you're yet to download Sifu apps, they are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store. And also they do have an interactive live chat. And if you need a watch list, for those KIV lists we discussed just now, you can screenshot this QR code. Later I will share the watch list in the channel. Okay, so that's all for today, and we see you on Wednesday 8:30 lah. Okay, so thank you everyone and see ya.